Welcome to our channel, your prime destination for all things health and wellness. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're diving into the world of natural remedies, specifically focusing on how certain herbs can protect your eyes and repair vision. We'll be discussing 8 potent herbs, unveiling their unique properties and benefits. So, if you're curious about natural ways to maintain your eyesight and keep those peepers in prime condition, stay with us to find out which herbs could help you keep your eyes healthy and your vision sharp. First on our list is bilberry, a herb rich in antioxidants. This small but mighty berry is known for its potential to improve night vision, making it a favorite among those who enjoy stargazing or driving at night. It also strengthens the blood vessels in the eyes, promoting overall eye health. But that's not all. Bilberry has shown to reduce inflammation, which can help ward off eye diseases. So, incorporating bilberry in your diet could be a fruitful step towards better eye health. Next, we have Ginkgo biloba, a powerful herb known for its medicinal properties. This ancient plant isn't just a pretty face, it's a heavyweight champion in the world of eye health. Ginkgo biloba can enhance blood flow to the eyes, a key factor in maintaining good vision. Moreover, it's been linked with a reduction in symptoms of glaucoma and age-related macular degeneration, 2 of the primary causes of vision loss. With Ginkgo biloba, you're not just protecting your eyes, but also investing in your overall health. Moving on, turmeric and saffron are not just kitchen staples, but also potent eye health boosters. Let's take a closer look at these vibrant spices. Turmeric, often found in curry dishes, is much more than a tasty ingredient. It's packed with curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These qualities make it a strong ally in protecting against cataracts and macular degeneration, 2 common eye conditions that can impair vision. Now, let's shift our attention to saffron. This valuable spice, often used in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisines, has been found to improve visual acuity and light sensitivity. Researchers believe that saffron's high concentration of natural carotenoids can protect the lens and the retina of the eye, enhancing visual response even in dim light. These flavorful herbs do more than just spice up your dishes, they also keep your eyes in top shape. Green tea and Eyebright are next on our list, both known for their unique eye benefits. Now, when you think of green tea, you might imagine a soothing hot beverage, a staple in many cultures, but there's more to it. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which have been found to help prevent age-related retinal diseases, such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Now let's turn our focus to Eyebright, a lesser-known herb, but no less significant. Traditionally, Eyebright has been used in eye drops to soothe a range of eye inflammations and infections. Its anti-inflammatory properties work wonders in reducing redness, swelling, and discomfort. So whether you're sipping on some green tea after a long day or using Eyebright-infused eye drops for that irritating itch, remember that these 2 herbs are not just for comfort. They are also powerful tools in maintaining your eye health. So, sipping on some green tea or using Eyebright-infused eye drops could go a long way in maintaining your eye health. Last but not least, we have fennel and aloe vera, both packed with eye-friendly nutrients. Fennel seeds with their potent antioxidants can reduce eye pressure and potentially ward off glaucoma. On the other hand, we have aloe vera, a well-known soothing agent. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help treat dry eyes and eye inflammation, providing relief and comfort. By adding fennel and aloe vera to your routine, you're giving your eyes the care they deserve.